Learning about viral zoonoses. Viral zoonoses are diseases caused by viruses that are naturally transmitted between animals and humans. These infections account for some of the most lethal and rapidly spreading pandemics in human history: COVID 19, rabies, Ebola. The viruses may be transmitted by direct contact, aerosols, bites, or arthropod vectors. Types of pathogen: they're virus, RNA or DNA based. Most of the time, they're RNA virus. Host: domesticated or wild animals, birds, pets, primates. Transmission modes: direct contact, bites, vectors, food, aerosol, we already read it. Control complexity high due to mutation rates and wildlife reservoirs, and they are highly they have high capability of contamination. They can spread rapidly. Global health threat: major cause of epidemics and pandemics. Rabies. Virus name: rabies virus, rhabdovirus. Animal source: dogs, bats, foxes. Symptoms: fever, hydrophobia, encephalitis. Transmission mode: animal bite, Nipah virus. Animal source: bats, pigs, fever, encephalitis. Rabies, Nipah, encephalitis. Respiratory disease: fruit, birds, pig secretions. Avian influenza, H5N1 influenza virus. Domestic wild birds, flu-like symptoms, pneumonia, contact with infected birds. Swine flu, avian influenza is S5N1, H5N1, and swine flu H1N1 influenza virus. Animal source: pigs, swine, pig. High fever, respiratory illness. Transmission mode: respiratory droplets. SARS-CoV-1, SARS coronavirus. COVID-19, SARS-CoV-2. SARS-CoV-1, civet, cats, bats, bears, pangolin. Fever, dry cough, fatigue, respiratory failure, unable to take taste and smell. SARS-CoV-1, human to human respiratory aerosols droplets. MERS-CoV, don't care. Ebola virus, bats, primates, hemorrhagic fever, organ failure, body fluids, direct contact. Nipah virus, endemic outbreaks linked to road dead palm sap contamination. Dead palm sap contaminated by bat secretion. Avian influenza. Regular poultry surveillance detects low level circulation of H5N1. Rabies, 1000 deaths per year, largely from dog bites. DLS, I have to see the full meaning of DLS. COVID-19, peak pandemic 2021, 2 million confirmed cases in BD. Why viral zoonoses are dangerous? Mutation potential: RNA viruses mutate quickly. COVID variants. Lack of treatment: most viral infections have no direct cure. Cross species transmission, common in bears, birds, and livestock. Reservoir complexity: wild elements often asymptomatic carriers. Mutation potential: lack of treatment, use vaccine. Cross species transmission, reservoir complexity. Prevention: animal surveillance, early detection in livestock, wild animals. Reservoir complexity: wild animals often asymptomatic. Education: avoidance of raw animal products, contact with sick animals, using mask, cleaning hand, container isolation, especially during outbreaks. Wildlife education: restrict wildlife trade and consumption. Life regulation is vaccination, rabies, influenza, research on others. COVID vaccine is also available.